tiny screws on the table. Your glass is slipping down your nose. You say it's all about the timing, like that's something I should know. Dust on all the old glass cases, names engraved in silver frames. You bring the dead seconds back to life, but ours just never tick the same. You hold your breath when the gears align. I hold my breath when you say you're fine. You fix every watch, but you won't fix us. You can set their hearts beating, but you won't touch mine. All of your clocks keep perfect time, but we're stuck on the minute that you change your mind. You bring them back from the edge of dawn, but you leave me here, turned off, turned on. You fix everyone, fix you won't fix us. Coffee cold in the corner, blueprints curling at the ends. You talk in hours, days and decades, like feelings fit in measured lengths. I ask you if you still want me. You stare down at a broken chain. Say sometimes things just keep on running, even when they're not the same. You count the teeth on a shattered wheel, but you won't count how I really feel. You fix every watch, but you won't fix us. You can set their hearts beating, but you won't touch mine. All of your clocks keep perfect time, but we're stuck on the minute that you change your mind. Every tick another distance, every talk another lie. You say it's only mechanism, but I'm the one who's running dry. You can wind me up or let me stop. Either way I pay the cost. You save strangers from their silence, but you're fine with losing us. You fix every watch, but you won't fix us. You can set their hearts beating, but you won't touch mine. All of your clocks keep perfect time, but we're stuck on a minute that you change your mind. You bring them back from the edge of gone, but you leave me here, turned off, turned on. You fix every watch, but you won't fix us. He keeps the blinds half closed. Coffee ring on the desk from years ago. Tiny screws in a porcelain bowl. Little silver hearts that forgot how to glow. He wears his father's coat, sleeves too long, stained at the throat. His name on the window's almost gone. Still, that bell above the door goes on and on. You fix their time, but who fixes you? You make them right, but you're falling out of tune. All your broken pieces hidden in your sleeves. You mend their hours while your own slip through first gift. Says she wore this once the day we kissed. You nod, take notes in your quiet script. Breath held tight like a tightened wrist. On the wall there's a photograph, someone by your side, but the frame is cracked. You turn it down when the daylight hits. Say you're fine, then drown in the ticking and clicks. You fix their time, but who fixes you? You make them right, but you're falling out of tune. All your broken pieces hidden in your sleeves. You mend their hours while your own slip through the teeth. You can fix a spring, you can move a gear, you can bring back years for strangers here. But your own lost minutes spilled on the floor, gears on your tongue you don't name anymore. Set them, save them, set them, save them. Never yours. Tiny tools on your table, half-moon scars on your hands, lens pressed over one tired eye, chasing seconds in the sand. You trace circles in the middle, like you're taming wayward time. Every gear another story. You set their broken hearts in line. You say, hold it to your ear, hear how it keeps going on. You fix the things that disappear when their owners think they're gone. You're the watchmaker, making time for us, putting back the pieces when they turn to dust. Every winding, every timing is a quiet kind of love I can't undo. You keep the world from falling out of sync, saving every second on the edge, the brink, when the whole room starts to stop soon. You're the one who keeps it ticking for us too. You stay late in the lamplight, hand stained gold, copper, steel, breathing life into the stillness, like you're teaching metal how to feel. You say nothing lasts forever, but you fight that truth each night with the heartbeat on your workbench, in a case of glass and light. You place a broken watch in mine, listen close, it's almost there. Then your fingers find the spine of the smallest wheel in prayer. You're the watchmaker, making time for us, putting back the pieces when they turn to dust. Every winding, every timing is a quiet kind of love I can't undo. You keep the world from falling out of sync, saving every second on the edge, the brink, when the whole room starts to stop soon. Someone thought I'd stop, but you bring them back in whispers. One soft click, one silver spring. In the silence between seconds, I hear everything you mean. Tiny tools on a velvet cloth, oil stains on your wedding ring. You turn the crown, set the dawn, give the day its opening scene. Magnifying glass, crooked smile, hold still or time will slip. You press my wrist to your ear like you're listening for a wish. You said every second's just a story in disguise. You carved your name so softly on the gears behind the glass. You were the